That sound. So yeah, I've noticed a lot of people are putting the wind protector over their mic on their G7X, and I live on the beach, always out vlogging, doing stuff in windy conditions. So I was like, you know what? It's time to jump on the bandwagon, throw a wind protector over my mic, and see what it sounds like. So let's do it. A little furry object to cover your mic with. I'm using a dog toy. It's all I had that would potentially get the job done, so I'm gonna test it out. You're gonna need the scissors to cut the piece off your dog toy. You're gonna need double-sided tape. You're also going to need a knife or a box cutter in order to cut your double-sided tape. Okay, so I am going to cut a piece just wide enough to go over these holes.
It's like breathing. Simple shit.
Perfect. Alright, so now we're going to take the adhesive, double-sided tape that we cut a hole out of the center of and place it right over our mic. Just like that.
Simple shit.
And now we got to figure out the best part of this dog toy to use. Alright, so we have my little square here that I'm going to use. It's not the sharpest, but I think it'll work.
It's like breathing.
Peel this off. It's the other layer of the double-sided tape. And throw it on there. And there you have it. He's got a little mohawk. Probably got a few stray pieces here. Now this was a dog toy, so it was the only furry, fuzz, whatever you want to call it, that I had that would potentially work. So, well, what do you think? It should work. Let's give it a shot. We are out here, and this is what the G7X looks like with the windshield. Now, first thing I'm noticing, as you can see, the windshield kind of goes almost halfway up my selfie screen, if you will. The LCD that flips up. Now, that's what it looks like when it is down. So, she's got a little mohawk going on. And now that's what it's like when it's up. Now, I'm probably going to trim that, cut it, you know, so it's at least only covering the bottom of the screen, so no big deal there. And now let's get to the sound test and see what it actually sounds like. Alright, so this is about to be a really good test. It is super windy out here. So the selfie screen is flipped up right now, which might help block the wind, but I'll put it down. We'll get some different tests. But alright, I'm about to walk out into the wind. Here we go. Pretty windy out here. This is like a wind tunnel in between these two buildings. Wow, yeah, super windy. Alright, now I'm going to drop the selfie screen down so you can hear without it. Selfie screen is down. Wind is still whipping, affecting the wind here. Down now. Selfie screen is flipped down for the test. Alright, so I'm going to wrap the test up there. I think that was enough to kind of give you guys an idea of what it sounds like with as opposed to without the homemade windscreen. However, I'll let you guys decide for yourself if you want to make one yourself and put it on your G7X, or for that matter, any camera that you have with a very similar setup. So if you have any questions, need any help with anything, drop questions in the comments. And also, if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.